We are underway. Both athletes 26 years old. Morikawa just under 4 months older. And strike up the band. Kyrgyzstan's in a gold medal match once again.
No block. No block, right?
And Morikawa with a low-level attack, countered with the go-behind nicely. There's Jumanazarova with the early 2-0 lead. There you see the attack and just throws it by, says nope. Chance of Marim come through the arena here in Bishkek. Jumanazarova in on the ankle. This time it's Morikawa who steps around, this time trying to lock in the crotch and throw it through. Jumanazarova hanging on with that right ankle. And Morikawa unable to use any leverage from that position. We'll get a fresh start. 1:13 remaining here in our first period. Ten to go in the period. And it's a 2-0 lead for Jumanazarova of Kyrgyzstan at the break.
Ladies, attention for fingers, okay? Referee will blow the whistle as their athletes are
intertwine. Athletes of such prowess, a little more calculated. There's a good low-level attack by Jumanazarova. Head underneath the knee. Morikawa trying to crotch lift. Foot planted in the mat. Jumanazarova heavy on the hips. And we'll get a fresh start, 1:15 to go. Morikawa with a fake. Drug attempt goes nowhere. Reshot by Jumanazarova. Pretty good attempt. Double underhooks by Morikawa. See, this is where that grounded situation. She's going to get a step out here. One, there it is. There's the new rule. You cannot drop yourself before the zone and expect to not get hit with a step out. That tactic had been frustrating to coaches, fans, and athletes alike for years. One of the few times we've seen it here. Level change, level change. Morikawa still needs more than just one. She needs two. A step out's not going to do it. Jumanazarova, seconds away. She will prevail, sending the home crowd to its feet here in Bishkek. She'd claimed a world championship, but the Asian Championship had eluded her until now. Your winner, gold medalist from Kyrgyzstan, Maryam